Here I have Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take burst shot or the series of shots on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the press and hold shutter button and select burst shot. You can only take burst shots on the main camera, not on the front camera. So just let's like to see there's like we taking some shots. Just hold down this button and you will take burst shots, and now you can view them here, and as you can see these are like my burst shots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.